Hey guys! Ever wondered how to dress elegantly as a teenager without looking like you raided your grandma's closet? I got you covered! First things first, elegance is all about confidence, not just the clothes. But let's dive into some tips that'll have you turning heads for all the right reasons. Tip number 1, keep it simple. No need for flashy logos or over-the-top patterns. Think classic colors like black, white, navy, and beige. You can never go wrong with these. Next up, fit is everything. Even the most expensive outfit won't look good if it doesn't fit right. So make friends with your local tailor. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, let's talk accessories. Less is more. A delicate necklace, simple stud earrings, or a sleek watch can elevate your look without being overpowering. And for the love of fashion, please avoid those chunky statement pieces. Save those for themed parties. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Opt for classic styles like loafers, ballet flats, or a nice pair of ankle boots. Keep it polished and you'll look put together in no time. And when in doubt, white sneakers are always a win. Hair and makeup should complement your outfit, not compete with it. Go for natural, effortless looks. Think soft waves, a neat ponytail, or a low bun. Makeup-wise, a little mascara and a touch of lip gloss can go a long way. And finally, remember to be yourself. The most elegant thing you can wear is confidence. So, rock your style with pride. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.